So guys, welcome into today's video. You guys have voted and you would like to see an update on the Tesla chart daily analysis that we are doing on this channel. We are doing a lot of technical analysis, guys, where I teach you how to read a chart technically and help you guys out. All I ask in return for these videos is that you go down there, smash that like button for me, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you guys are notified every single time I make a video. And a quick plug, if you would like access to any of my private buy and sell alerts, then be sure to check out the link below in the description to my private Patreon, where I update weekly updates with, again, some charts and also those buy and sells, because we have been smashing it on the Patreon lately. Some of those plays have been up over 100 to 200%, like our SBCE play over the last month. And a big shout out to all of our amazing community of Patreons. So technically, guys, on the chart for Tesla, we are using tradingview.com, coming onto the 4-hour time frame, because that is the best time frame that I like to get my knowledge from. Now, I have drawn in a very strong layer of support at the $544 price range, and I have also drawn in a layer of resistance that you guys can see, which is around that $690 to $700 price range here as well. And this is really the key areas right now that Tesla is trading in. It has been trading in this kind of sideways market now over the last couple of months since we had that big sell-off in February, and it will take a lot of catalysts, guys, to push this price back up once we do have those revenue projections out for their earnings. And again, we do actually have that coming out again in the next few days, so we will have to pay attention to their earnings, guys, because that is going to be a big step that is going to either push this stock up higher to test that all-time high on that resistance again, or it is going to come back down and it will consolidate if we do have some bad revenue growth and Tesla are not doing very well. So those are the major things that are going to move a stock. Now, the reason why we do this technical analysis, guys, is because there's no good buying any stock when it is at those all-time highs up here, because we are going to be so extended. If you can come onto a graph and you can read that, for example, Tesla is at that layer of support where it has tested 3 times, and again, it does have those highs where it has been up before around $700 and $900. We know that the stock will have a tendency to retest those highs again at some point, and that way you are not going to be buying in at those all-time highs, and you are going to get the best bang for your buck. Now, we can see that Tesla is actually trading in that range of consolidation, like I had said, and it's hard to tell what the stock is going to do because it did cross over above the 21-day moving average, but it has then fallen short, and we are now trading below that 21-day moving average. So what I like to do is use the 21-day moving average, guys, as an area of indication whether we are in fact in a bull run, if we are above the line of the 21-day moving average, or if we are below that line and we are trading here below that line, guys, then again, this would tell me that we are in fact in a bearish market. And right now you can see that we have crossed over, and now we have crossed back under in that range of consolidation. So it really is not making up its mind, which means we need that earning to come out, these earnings, and then we actually will have those fundamental catalysts which is going to push this price higher, because right now we are in the middle of a range of consolidation. We are not at an area of support or resistance, so it's hard to know what direction Tesla is going to take. And like I said, it has been crossing over and under, so again, it was very, very hard to judge. But what I can see is we are starting to pin bar. We do have a nice uptrend here, and again, we also have a slight downtrend here. So if we do manage to stay in this range, guys, and we stay between that $675 range, and then we start to come back in, we will actually either have a big shift up, and this will push up very dramatically, or we will then push back down and probably retest those lows of $544. But I do expect Tesla to have some good earnings coming out over the next day or two. So if we do have that, guys, I will expect this to push up, and we will probably retest those highs again of about $700. So that is my price forecast for Tesla over the next few days. We can use the RSI indicator, guys, as another indication as well, whether we are in fact testing into a bull market if we are above the 50, or if we are trading in bear territory and we are below that 50 on the RSI, which is the relative strength index. You can add this on in the indicators option here simply by clicking on the indicator there and then typing in relative strength index. Click on that and it will add it to the bottom of your screen. Now, if you want to get a better price forecast for the day, guys, with Tesla, you can come onto the 15-minute chart zone. So that means that all these candles now are about 15 minutes long. And you can see that we do have another very clear layer of support on the 15-minute, which is trading around that $620 price range to $625. So you probably find that Tesla will come back down at some point, retest this line, and then it will start to bounce back up and retest those highs of about $685. So that's probably what will happen, guys, over the next 2 days. But again, we do have those earnings out, like I said, over the next few days, so that's something that we're going to have to watch very closely. But my price prediction for Tesla, guys, once we do have those earnings out, is to in fact retest those highs of about $690, and hopefully we will get that nice test back onto that if we do have any major big news which is going to push this into some bull territory. In the long run, guys, I'm extremely bullish on, again, this stock, and you have to remember that Cathie Wood at ARK Invest is heavily invested in the autonomous technology of Tesla. And if you would like more information and a breakdown as to why Tesla, she thinks it's going to go to $4,000 by the year of 2025 as a stock, then be sure to check out this video that I will link above now, because it is a fantastic opportunity. The ride-hailing market and the potential for Tesla, guys, is absolutely enormous. And again, that is why we have so many, you know, price predictions for Tesla that are way out there over the next few years, and why they are trading at such a high forward PE ratio. So we will just have to keep our eye on the stock of Tesla, but that is my price forecast. We can expect it to come down at some point today, maybe to around that 620 mark, and then retest those highs of about $680 when we do actually have those earnings out, hopefully retouching that high of around $700. So that is my price forecast for Tesla over the next few days. I do hold Tesla in my position for the long term. I am not swinging this stock, and I do plan to sell this one in about 4 to 5 years time, again once we do cross over that threshold of $1,000 per share. So guys, have a fantastic day. If you would like access to my private buy and sell alerts, then be sure to check out the link to the private Patreon. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Make sure that you are subscribed with the notification bell turned on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.